Welcome, beautiful soul. My name is Sarah V, and I'm here to guide you in this letting go to rise above meditation. In this tranquil journey, we will explore the powerful imagery of a heavy backpack and a hot air balloon, symbolizing the process of releasing burdens and embracing freedom. In our daily lives, we often find ourselves weighed down by worries, stress, and the weight of our thoughts. This heavy backpack we carry can hinder our ability to fully experience the present moment and find peace within ourselves. But fear not. In this meditation, we will embark on a transformative journey that will enable us to let go and rise above. Through the metaphor of a hot air balloon, we will learn to untie the knots that hold us back, symbolized by the backpack, and allow ourselves to ascend towards a state of lightness and liberation. As we soar higher and higher, we will embrace the beauty of the present moment and discover the joy that comes with surrendering to the flow of life. So find that comfortable space where you can relax and let the outside world fade away. And prepare yourself to embark on this journey of self-discovery and renewal. Together, let us explore the power of letting go and embracing the boundless possibilities that await us. So let's tune in. Let's begin taking those deep breaths in, breathing in peace and tranquility, and exhaling whatever is in the way. Let that journey begin. Let's breathe again together, breathing in peaceful, calm, quiet energy, and exhaling whatever is in the way. And one more time together, breathing in peaceful, calm, quiet energy, and exhaling whatever is in the way. Allowing your body to sink into a state of relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply and calmly, I invite you to imagine yourself standing in a vast, open field. The sun is shining and the clear blue sky is above you. You even feel the breeze gently touching your face. And now visualize yourself wearing that heavy backpack on your shoulders. This backpack represents the weight of thoughts, worries, and burdens that you have carried most of your life. Notice the heaviness pressing down on you, causing tension and unease. As you observe this heavy backpack, become aware that it no longer serves you. It's time to let go. And visualizing a sturdy rope attached to that backpack. And with each breath out, imagine untying the knots one by one. And feel the release as the weight begins to lighten. Let them all release. Now shift your attention to a beautiful, colorful, hot air balloon floating gently in this vast, open field beside you. This hot air balloon symbolizes the freedom, joy, and lightness that you long for. Seeing yourself stepping into the basket of the balloon, feeling a sense of anticipation and excitement building within you. And take a moment to imagine the backpack, now untied, gently lifting off of your shoulders. And you see yourself gently and lovingly placing the heavy backpack on the ground outside of the balloon. And with each breath you take, imagine yourself feeling lighter, somehow limitless, transformed. And as you continue to breathe deeply, feel the balloon gently lifting off the ground, carrying you upwards. Notice how the burden of the backpack becomes smaller and smaller, fading away into the distance. And as you ascend higher, you feel a sense of liberation and peace washing over you. From this elevated perspective, observe the world below. Allow yourself to let go of any remaining worries, fears, or negative thoughts. Just release them, knowing that they no longer have the power over you. Feel the freedom and lightness that comes with surrendering and embracing the present moment. And as you soar higher and higher, surrounded by the vastness of the sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and tranquility that surrounds you. Feel gratitude for the ability to let go, the ability to rise above the weight that once held you down. And whenever you're ready to return, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. And take one more deep breath in, feeling the ground beneath your feet. And just gently open your eyes. And remember, just as the hot air balloon effortlessly lets go of the heavy backpack, you too have the power to release what no longer serves you. Embrace the lightness and freedom that comes with letting go, and allow yourself to rise above.